Hello everyone, this is Japanese Food Recipes. My name is Alex, and I'm here to introduce simple and easy Japanese food recipes from Tokyo to the world. This is my second video, and I'm going to continue to improve my videos based on your comments, so it'd be really appreciated if you make any types of comments and click the subscribe button. Today's menu is teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki is originally the traditional Japanese cooking method, but now teriyaki sauce is available all over the world. The word teriyaki is actually a combination of two words. Teri means glazed, and yaki means to grill. Teriyaki is characterized by the sugar content of the sauce, which gives the food a glossy surface. The amber color of teriyaki is very appetizing. It has a good balance of salt and sugar, and is best when eaten with rice or bread. I know some of you guys are having a hard time going out of your way to buy teriyaki sauce at the grocery stores. But don't worry. You can easily make teriyaki sauce by blending what you have in your fridge. This time, we'll start with making the sauce first and cooking teriyaki chicken after that. It will only take you 20 minutes to complete all the preparations. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started! Sake or white wine, honey, 1 tablespoon. Stir well. Chicken legs, 600 grams for 2 servings. Use paper towels to take moisture out. Slit the chicken. Prick the chicken with a fork. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Cook it until the surface gets golden brown. Wait for some minutes so both sides are well cooked. Sake or white wine, soy sauce, and sugar. Add sweet sake that you prepared. When the sauce has boiled down and thickened, remove from heat.